Assalamu alaikum. First, you're going to type SketchUp in Google and then click under products and click on SketchUp free and start modeling. Since I already logged into my account, it's going to bring me here. You are going to start log in with Google and then create new. So you will have your drawing tools on the left, and those are the ones that you're going to use today. And then at the bottom there are 3 dots. You will have more tools, drawing tools and navigation tools over here. So today you're going to just use basic tools, starting with rectangle. So click on rectangle and you can click anywhere on the ground. As you move your cursor, you're going to see dimensions changing in the window, in the dimension window. And you're going to, without clicking, you are going to type the size of the rectangle. So we are going to make it, you can see which direction it's going to. If you make it really small, it's first is the width and then is the depth. So width is in red direction and depth is in the green direction. In the red direction we are going to make it 12 feet, 12 apostrophe comma 20 apostrophe enter. And next we are going to use the push pull tool to give it height. The height is going to be 10 feet as well, 10 apostrophe enter. This is the navigation tool, orbit tool. You can see all around your building this way. So this house is going to have a simple gable roof. You're going to use pencil tool to draw a line from midpoint to the midpoint. To get out of the command, you can press the space bar. Now click on the move tool, and as you hover over the line, it will turn blue. That means it's selected. You click on it once and you move up, and you will see it says on blue axis. But if you go right or left, the line turns a black dotted line and it's not a straight vertical anymore. So make sure you are in blue axis and then type the height of the roof, which is going to be 5 feet, 5 apostrophe enter. Then go ahead and add steps using rectangle tool. You're going to draw a rectangle. You can start anywhere, doesn't have to be exact because this is a basic model. So as you can see, the length is first and the height is second in the dimension box. So type 6 feet comma 1 foot or 12 enter. Then use the pencil tool to draw a single line from midpoint to midpoint. Press on the space bar, go to push pull tool and pull that out. You can make it 5 feet. Then pull the top one out and make that 4 feet. So push pull can work in all directions. 12 feet this way. Oops. 12 inches. Just 12. You can also erase this line to make that one surface. On the other side, I'm just going to keep that straight, but you can erase this line as well. For the door, we're going to draw a rectangle, and that's going to be with rectangle tool. The size of the door, as you can see in the dimension window, the width goes first and the height goes second. So width is 3 feet, 3 apostrophe comma 7 apostrophe, enter. And another rectangle for the window. Let's make it 4 feet comma 4 feet. Now the next tool you're going to use is offset. So click once inside the window and then type 3, and it's going to make that 3 offset of 3 inches all around. I'm going to do that outside, so I'm going to do -3. Same thing for the door. So 3 is outward, and now you are going to use press pull tool to bring the frame forward by 2 inches for the door as well, and then push inside by 3 inches, 3 inches inside. To draw the chimney, draw a line going vertical direction, and you can draw that 5 feet. And then as you can see, this will go in red direction or green direction, but red direction is what we are looking for the width, and make it 2 feet, 2 apostrophe, and then come down vertically. That means it should be blue line. Now as you see, it turns into a surface, and then you're going to use push pull tool and make it 2 feet. Now let's add some materials. Click on paint tool and click on this browse tool, and you will have the list of materials. For roofing, you have these options. You can select any of your choice. Then look for glass. You can look for wood, and you can choose wood for the and that would be all for this basic house. Your turn. Happy drawing.